It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raven, for those of you who do not know. Today's video is sponsored by Bly Hair Company. It is a wig company on Amazon. They sent me an 18-inch body wave headband wig, and in the package it came with 3 headbands, really cute. Also it came with some caps as well. Now, if you want to see all the specs of this hair, you can really just skip to like the ending of the video, and that's where I really give my review. But the wig does come with 4 combs at the top, bottom, side to side, and it does have a strap in the back. The only thing is I wish the strap had more Velcro on it to make it tighter because my head is kind of little. So, but other than that, the hair was really soft. It didn't have a smell to it, and the shedding was not that bad at all. I do recommend that you use the combs to keep the wig in place. When I did that, the wig was way more snug than just enforcing it with the band. Here, I'm just showing you guys the wig from all angles, and as you can see, this is some really pretty hair, and I love it. I feel like the hair needed some volume to it, so I just went ahead and put in some wand curls, and the curls are pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, you can pretty much see what I'm doing. In order to get even more volume, I just went ahead and teased those curls that I had just made. And by the way, you guys, this wig is sort of kind of versatile. I've seen a lot of people do cute little ponytails and buns with this. So there's really a lot of things that you can do with this wig, surprisingly. Okay, so the only things that I would say about this hair is that this is more so like something casual, because it does curl, but the curls aren't like tight, like as tight as I want them to be, but it does, you know, curl. And I really like this hair. It's super freaking soft. It was a little bit more shedding than what I like it to be, but the shedding wasn't bad at all, so I'm not going to say anything about really the shedding, because the shedding wasn't that bad. But I just love how soft this hair is. I don't know, it's just so like, you know, you throw it on and you go, you know, so I really like it. And the only thing I just don't like is just how, you know, how it curls. Like the curls are not as tight and they don't hold as you know, as long as I want them to. But other than that, this hair is beautiful. This hair is gorgeous, and I say go ahead and get it. The price of it was great. So girl, if you look for something that's inexpensive and that will get you through, this is it right here. I really like this hair. So thank you to Blind Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys next time.